So this video is mainly for the awareness, especially for the people who are going for service centers. So make sure that any general service center you go, make sure that you get the videos, whether if they are putting the engine oil or whatever spare parts you are getting it. Make sure that you get the video and the pics before and after replacement. And also, please make sure that you take the old parts with you. Okay, so that the service center people cannot fit into the other vehicles the same parts, because this is generally a trend which is happening. And one more thing is, don't keep any valuables inside the car, including a charger, while sending it for the service, because it might not be the service center owner's responsibility. It starts from the housekeeping people to everyone, so they also cannot see each and everything, but it will become a problem to customers like us. So please make sure that you take the original cardboards also. Okay, there is the service parts cardboard will be there, no, which I have attached in the video. This time I have taken it, then also I have sold it to the scrap people also for around 10 rupees. Even the glass window which has to be replaced, I have taken the old glass window also with me, so that they won't put it into any other vehicles. So this is not just for a Nissan car, it's for any people who are using any car. Make sure that engine oil or coolant filling also you get the video of the same. And also, if any bumper replacement or anything, if possible video, or else at least the image before and after, that is mandatory. Okay, so these are the small things which I have to tell you. So thank you guys. So I hope this information is useful for you. So please see the entire full video. Thank you then. This part. And also you can see the DRL, no? This also has to be changed. Okay. You can see the scratches in the DRL. Yeah. 3 parts. And mirror also there is a spot. You can see in the mirror here. There is a spot here, no? Okay. This also. I claim for this. Okay. This 3 parts. Especially DRL thing, and I don't want this to be 10 days or something, just like the last time. Yeah? And this also I have to be, it should be new. Yeah. That's the thing. So, and what about the key thing?
Key what happened?
Key, last time you guys lost the key, right?
Who was advisor last time?
Advisor, Naveen was there, no? Service manager.
Okay.
And here also I think so.
This also you clean?
Yeah, everything I told them.
Okay,
yeah.
Show them. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Yeah, you show them that.
Okay. Well, key is working, right?
This key is working. There is a key.
That's
yeah. Okay.
And consumables will not be covered in the package. That those are like wheel weights. Which is 350 or 400 rupees will come.
Okay.
And like a liquid which they use to clean the basic blower. That is like around 600 rupees or 650 rupees will come. So altogether around 900, 950 rupees will come. Okay. Sure. Okay. Yeah, that's all. Like if there is anything additional, I will let you know.
Okay. And the key thing also you'll be doing it, right?
That he have committed, right? The manager. So like I'll talk to him. They'll get it right.
Yeah. And now you can come for the inspection.
Yes.
Yeah. Then anything is there you can add in that also.
Sorry.
Any other thing is there you can add.
Yeah, that I will add if
yeah.
there's anything else.
No, because there was actually my back, the rear window is there, no? That is not working actually. Okay. Then here they told that parts has to come. Then I only fix it from a private center.
Okay.
So that kind of experience I don't want again. That's the reason. Huh? How much service is this?
3rd service.
3rd service. How many more services are there?
3.
Free.
2 more will be there.
I think per year, or is it kilometer basis?
Either kilometer or year.
Okay.
Whichever is there.
Okay. No, which kilometer is next? Now this is 29,979.
30,000. Next year will be 40,000.
40,000, okay. Like a sports car thing, it should be silent, right? Mostly. No. When you're driving only, should be smooth. No, sound is always there. I'm not talking about that sound. Once you leave it, no. Normally, when I bought the vehicle, it was not showing any sound actually. It was peaceful only, silent thing. Now this kind of sound is there actually. When I'm traveling, also sound is there. Then you check it out, huh? Yeah. Sorry? See, once you raise it, that sound will come. That is normal. But what I'm trying to tell you is, when you're traveling, that is the thing. Yeah. Hello? That's all right. Formula. older parts is inside the car. Okay. This time I'll show you the older part. Okay. Cladding I have changed. Bumper new. DR new. Fender new. I mean fender this. There was scratch over here. Yeah. Spot paint. And okay. Fine, sir. All your vehicle older parts. Older parts as well, no? Okay, fine. That's when the DRL it doesn't go inside. Cladding it is there. Glass. Okay. DRL box. Okay, and the glass window also changed, huh? Yeah, fine. Glass is inside. Okay, fine. Okay. The dot over here. Correct. Yeah, fine. That's it. La. நீங்க உங்களுக்கு இருக்கா? ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் போய் இருக்கா? ஓகே. இந்த ரெண்டு பிளாஸ்டிக் தையல் எடுத்துட்டு ஃபைபர் அது ஓகே சண்டே நீங்க கிளம்புறீங்களா? ஆமா 1.5 இல்ல ஓகே அப்ப இதெல்லாம் வந்து எடுக்காது இல்ல இங்க வந்து ஓகே ஃபைன் இல்ல இது காட்டிட்டு இருக்கு ஆமா புரியுது கோல் டிரைவ் இந்த வீடியோ எடுத்து நமக்கு இதோட பார்ட்ஸ் எதுவுமே தெரியாது பேர்லாம் வந்து இது பழைய பார்ட்ஸ் ஓகே வேற ஏதாவது பிரச்சனை தான் சொல்லுங்க அது ஒரு சவுண்டோட வருது இல்லை சவுண்டு நீங்க பாத்தீங்க ஓட்டி பாத்தீங்களா நான் அங்கே கொஞ்சம் ட்ரைவ் பண்ணி தான் பார்த்தேன் அப்போ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பிரேக் பேட் ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ணிடலாம் ஏன்னா பிரேக் பேட்னால கூட ஒரு நாய்ஸ் வரும் ஓகே ஸ்க்வீசிங் நாய்ஸ் ஆமாம் பிரேக் பேட் ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ணிட்டு நீங்கள் அவர் கூட ஒரு ஃப்ரெஷ் ஆகி போயிட்டு வாங்க ஓகே போயிட்டு அந்த நாய்ஸ் பிகாஸ் பேக்கில் பேசஞ்சர்ஸ் இருக்கும்போது அவங்களுக்கு பயங்கர ஷேக்கிங் ஃபீல் ஆகுது ஆக்சுவலி
ஷேக்கிங்
அதனால அந்த ரியர்
வாப்ளிங் ஒரு மாதிரி
அது ஆமாம் ஆமாம் ஆமாம்.
ஓகே சரிங்க சார்
அது
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் பார்க்கலாம் பார்த்துட்டு
இது நான் சொன்ன அந்த சர்வீஸ் சென்டர் இருக்கு. அப்போ தான் அவன் சொன்ன இந்த மாதிரி ரியர் ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்குன்னு நான் இது பார்த்து சொன்னேன். செக் பண்ணி பாருங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட். இது நெசரியாக இருக்காது இல்லை. So this is about the service and everything, and we can see everything in the app also. Acco app. Once they give the service estimate, whatever parts are being done, they will put it, and yeah, the new one, and they will give you the image in the app also. So the best part is we'll be getting the genuine Nissan service parts.